What's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about the top iPhone XS cases I've personally picked out. This is the budget edition, and if you do want to check them out, the links will be in the description along with the prices, as they may change over time. So what we're waiting for, let's get on with it. Number 1 is the ESR Super Slim silicone cover. This case has caught my attention due to the simplicity of the design. If you're one of those people that doesn't want a case but you're still looking for the extra layer of protection, this one will be for you. It features a super slim design of 1mm thick with a reflective glass look, which means you'll always have the opportunity to appreciate the look and feel of your smartphone. What makes this case even better is that it has a special anti-yellow technology, so even after 180 days of hard use, this case will still have a shiny glass look to it unlike any other transparent case. It also comes with other features like wireless charging capability, air guard corner design to soak up the day-to-day impacts, and an enhanced camera and screen edge design for that extra protection. Finally, this case comes in transparent and transparent black. At number 2 is the Spigen Tough Armor iPhone case. A little bit different this time with a heavier duty look and feel to it, so if you're looking to take your iPhone for an adventure, this will be the one. It has an extreme drop protection design thanks to the dual layers of air cushion technology it has on board. Alongside its strong drop defense, it also comes with a form-fitted ergonomic pocket-friendly grip, so you'll have confidence holding this thing wherever you go. Not only that, but it also comes with a built-in prop stand, so you can watch your favourite movies effortlessly wherever you go. The heavy-duty iPhone case comes in matte black and gunmetal grey. Next up on the list is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid iPhone case. Best of both worlds with this one. It features a crystal clear rear-facing design which flaunts the original look of the beautiful iPhone X. This is paired with a TPU air cushioned bumper offering grip and a slim profile for a comfort feel. Still has wireless charging capabilities, and it also has the raised edges for the camera and the screen for the extra layer of protection. Dimensions for this case are 2.9cm in width, 5.8cm in length and 0.4cm in depth. This case also comes in a selection of 4 colour combinations, so there are plenty to choose from. And last but not least, number 4 is the Toovren Handmade genuine leather case. Premium materials for a premium device for a not so premium price. If this is what you're looking for, you might want to get your hands on this one. This case will take very good care of your iPhone. I say this because of the soft microfiber lining on the inside of the case, which means your phone will feel like it's receiving a constant warm hug, which is never a bad thing for such a premium device. The material is attractive too. With the aid of the Handmade precise cutouts, you won't regret owning this classy iPhone case. The beautiful case also comes with beautiful practicality, featuring the all-smooth surface, making buttons convenient to press. It has 360-degree protection exclusively and precisely designed to cover all the nuts and crannies this phone has. This is a beautiful and practical case for a beautiful and practical iPhone. This comes with 5 different colours of leather. All the products I've talked about in this video are linked in the description and prices may vary over time. If this was helpful, please leave a like and leave a comment on which case was your favourite. Thank you for watching, and remember, subscribe to see more videos like this one, and have a good day.